All right, boys, if you're watching this video, the drop is now live. So restock shorts, all 3 tank tops, big logo, camo t-shirt, all 4 masks, including this mask is useless face mask. This one got a lot of attention last time, but this one sold out right away last time. So if you want one, first link down in the description box below. We got a few stickers, 4 new air fresheners, STI, Evo 8, just a regular old Boston one, and then the specialty, Bobby and I, on an air freshener, looking like straight goons, and a full restock on all of the jet tags as well. First thing down in the description box below. Let's go, boys. Yes.
Hi, honey.
I need medicine, please.
I thought you came to medicine. Ooh, that's real nummy.
This is your payment.
Oh my god, so freaking real. Okay, there's a okay, I don't even know what to say about this. It's just so beautiful.
Would you like to explain your situation?
Well, I got a facial and I can't let it go. My face go in the sun. We're still going on our walk.
You might want to explain what a facial is.
I got micro needling done, so it like exposes all your skin. Does that make sense?
Yes. So I'll explain a little bit later in better detail, but we finally found a box, and I've known of this box, or bed I guess I should say. I've known of this bed for a few days now, but it's up in Canada, and with COVID going on and all this crap, I wasn't able to cross the border to go retrieve this said bed. So we found a way to get it though, and we are leaving. Jared and I, not Bobby. Bobby has to work, right?
Yeah, sadly.
We are leaving here in a few minutes to go pick it up, but we got to get our 75 hard workout number 1 and number 2 in before we leave. So this is workout number 1. All right, so here's the current scoop, guys. We just got finished up with our first workout, and then we did a few things at home. Now we're gonna go hit our second workout, which is our weight training, and then from there we're gonna head out to Seattle. So let's jump in the cold start for the boys machine and hit the gym. Cold start for the boys, please.
What? What do you mean?
Help. Wait a second. I'm never selling this car.
That made my tummy tickle so much.
You did?
Yeah.
What, did you like it?
I loved it, baby.
You want to do it again?
No.
All right, just made it to the shop. It is very, very late. We're getting a late start, 8:32 p.m. I'm not exactly sure what time we're picking up the bed. Let me kind of fill you guys in on the story real quick. So I found this bed up in Canada, and due to COVID going on, I tried every which way by myself to go up there and get it, even with like a business license and everything that I thought I would need to be deemed essential. They said, no, there's no way you can come get it. So the second plan was to have someone ship it down to the border, because where we're getting it is like 15-20 miles from the border up just north of Seattle. The company that I'm actually buying the bed from, the wrecking yard, said they would bring it down, and then after they looked into it, they said they are not eligible or something to sell in the United States, being that they're based in Canada. So that option fell out, and I was like, okay, I'll just look for a different bed. Got off the phone, started calling people on different beds. Then I got a phone call from a random number, and he's like, hey, I heard you need a bed shipped from Canada down to the border. And I was like, yeah. And he said he's gonna make that trip anyway. and he's got a massive trailer that he's gonna put it on, and he's doing it for really, really cheap. So definitely a saving grace. I don't know how that ended up working out, but it did. So we are headed up to Bellingham area, which is about a 6-hour drive in the Duramax. Really trying to get it sometime tomorrow morning, but if it happens to push later in the day, don't really care. All I know is that I'm really, really stoked to be getting a new box. So before we head out, we did pick up a new shock. Huge shout out to Elko for letting us borrow one of his OEM shocks off of his Denali. So let's go ahead and get it swapped out, get our broken shock off of here, get the new one on, and as soon as Jared shows up, we can hit the road. Got the new shock on. Now I guess all we really need to bring are the tools and the hardware to actually bolt the bed to the chassis. That is the plan. I don't know of any other way that I personally could get the bed home. You ready for this long ass drive?
Another one.
Seriously, this one's not as bad though.
No, and plus we're not coming back right away unless you changed your minds. You're like, just kidding, bro. We're coming back. I'm ready. This thing's nice.
Thank you, sir.
Are we gonna get pulled over?
Yeah, it's not a car. Let's just steal his bed real quick. I have all the tools.
Dude, you have to get it.
What's up, dude?
Yeah.
What the hell are you doing?
I was like, what the heck? Alex was like, yo. Yeah, I was like, come on, go get the AR.
Get the AR.
For real?
What's up?
Going to Seattle to get a bed. No,
Oh yeah?
I was driving
Congratulations, dude.
by. Thanks, dude. Driving by and I saw the lights on. I'm like, what the hell are these guys
You're
doing?
like, what's that? You're working that site?
So there's a it's a very complicated process how to fill out these days.
They just don't make them like they used to.
I know, right? You like my bed?
That's awesome.
She's beautiful. I'm gonna have to like hold my dog as I fill it up. At least my taillights are still on.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure if we had a big enough pump, they're definitely gonna. Yeah, what happens if I need DEF? Like, where do I even get that?
You buy it in there.
I don't even know what the hell it is.
Neither do I. I mean, well, I kind of do. It's in there in boxes. How long does DEF last? Because you're at 15% left, right?
Yeah, I have no clue. I can't wait to have a freaking box on this thing.
Vehicle speed will be limited to 5 miles per hour until the DEF tank is refilled.
What? What is this?
Yeah, dude, look.
5 miles an hour?
Look at
The truck is about to run out of DEF. The engine power is reduced. A solid red warning. 5 miles per hour. Okay, maybe we should get some.
Bro, we're on the freeway just limping along.
With no box. No tailgate.
No box, and then we're like, we forgot the DEF.
Sure you hold her upright.
Can't kink the hose. No, that's just hilarious, dude. I feel like such a goon. Okay, where does the DEF go?
I think it's under the hood.
Yeah, I feel like a retard, dude. I don't
Dude,
know
so do I. don't know anything about trucks.
I don't know anything about diesels. I've never had one.
Oh, it's only 20. Why is it filling up so slow? It's not meant to fill up like that.
Probably not. I got a nice kink in my hose. It's only $40.
Really? It's only 16-gallon tank?
No, it was well over half.
Oh, okay.
Let me reassemble my truck.
Bro, did you bring some zip ties?
I did, yeah.
You're prepared.
Alright, we're good. Alright, let's go get some DEF.
Man, this thing is mint. So we don't have to go 5 miles an hour the whole way?
Got a little cold start for Du Bois. It literally cannot hear anything. You start it up and all the noise comes from like the front instead of the back. All right, so we got her filled up on DEF. We are in Ritzville right now, so we're only an hour out of Spokane. You should check the DEF level now. We are gonna be in Seattle area around like 4 a.m. Sounds fun. Let's do this thing. So we finally made it here to our final destination. So this here is the box that we're gonna be getting. It doesn't even make any sense. I'm just so tired. I thought it'd be funny to take this dude's box and put it on my truck and leave. I'm not making any sense right now, guys. Hopefully everything works out tomorrow with picking up the new bed, and we're also supposed to pick up a tailgate as well. And I have not found a bumper yet, but I'm sure we could find one here somewhere in the Seattle, Bellingham, or like Tri-Cities area, all the way back to Spokane. There's got to be a black bumper for sale somewhere. So hopefully within the next few days, this truck right here is looking a little bit more like that. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Peace out. I'll see you tomorrow.